Yes, sir.
Okay, now be this one. Now the woodwork. Now you do one?
No, I'm not the one that do the woodwork.
Okay.
I only installed the roofing sheet and the water collector.
And the water collector.
But I corrected so many areas on the roof before coming to install it.
Okay, so you first do some maintenance
yes,
or amendments before
yes.
you do
I was
installation.
able to install the roofing sheet.
Okay, so make you take us around, make our viewers see them. So where you want me to start from? We could start from the water collector.
Yeah, we can start from the water collector.
They tell us about the water collector when they see so.
About this water collector, the owner of the house requested for white color because we have it in two colors. We have black and we have white. So the owner choose white color, and that's why we go for the water color, the white color. Okay. And you know there is a building below, and there is another roof upper there. So the major reason why we have to place this gutter in two ways, you know, we have gutters up and we still have it down here, is just because of the flow of water from the upper roof.
When they talk, my name is John Osas. We did one location for Ogun State where we come monitor the work when one of our viewers give our brother. We ask our brother name, the work when they into and the particular work when we can check for here today. So make it tell our viewers your name.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear viewers. My name is Hosseini Mustafa Alamu, and I'm into carpentry and roofing sheet installation with water collector.
Okay. So what you will tell our viewers when they patronize you through this our platform?
I will always pray for all our viewers that used to patronize us for more blessing and prosperity.
Okay, so our viewers all over the world, we join our brother say thank you. So if you tell our viewers the work when you say make we come check for you.
I want you to come and check the roofing sheet I installed here and the water collector.
Okay, roofing sheet and water collector now you install for this particular place.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now be this one. Now the woodwork. Now you do one?
No, I'm not the one that do the woodwork.
Okay.
I only installed the roofing sheet and the water collector.
And the water collector.
But I corrected so many areas on the roof before coming to install it.
Okay, so you first do some maintenance
yes,
or amendments before you do installation.
I was able to install the roofing sheet.
Okay, so make you take us around, make our viewers see them. So where you want me to start from? We could start from the water collector.
Yeah, we can start from the water collector.
They tell us about the water collector when they see so.
About this water collector, the owner of the house requested for white color because we have it in two colors. We have black and we have white. So the owner choose white color, and that's why we go for the water color, the white color. Okay. And you know there is a building below, and there is another roof upper there. So the major reason why we have to place this gutter in two ways, you know, we have gutters up and we still have it down here, is just because of the flow of water from the upper roof. All the fall of water will be falling down to the roof below, and if the water is splashing, it can be penetrating to the wall or messing up, because can cause leakage or something like. So we have to channel all the water. So we now give it pipe to bring down the water very easily.
Okay.
To the roof below.
Okay.
Now we give it another gutter
for this side, where we this
side, so that one will just bring it down. The water will not be messing up everywhere like that. So that's why we use it like that. Then we make sure we have enough outlet for the water to be dropping down, so that the water will not be too heavy in the cup. And the way we mount the gutter, we make sure we fix it in the normal way before installing the roofing sheet, so that we were able to bind everything to the roofing wood, to the roofing planks. So that's how we install it. So we use, at least we use 26 gutters here, and we use about 16 outlets.
Okay.
For the dropout of water. So we use, you can see the house has so many shapes. So the external, we use about 9 external, which is the outside corner, and we use 4 internal, which is the inside corner. So
okay,
we have the gutter connector.
Now, as that back be now so here still.
Yes, that's how the roof is. So there's a roof below there. So since the roof below is not high, we have to channel all the water to reduce the flow of water from the upper roof.
Okay.
Yes, that's it.
So, if you see they tell us about the roofing sheet installation, since nobody do the woodwork.
Yes. The roof, this roofing sheet is bond. We call it bond. There are still some other designs of roofing sheet, but the owner of this house requested for bond.
Okay.
That's why we go for that. And about the installation, you can see how we placed everything perfectly. So we use 520 meters of roofing sheet here.
Body up and down?
Yes, it's 520 meters.
Okay.
And the 520 meters, we have only 3 pieces left out of the 520 meters. So, which is just 1.5 meters.
Okay.
That was left. So then, about the sunbreaker, we use 5 sunbreakers here. We call it blade. So we use 5 of it here. And you can see there is a portion on the roof which indicates there is a glass on top of that roof here. So the owner of the house wants the house to have reflection.
Okay.
From that portion. That is why
they want to put glass for there.
That's why
they never finished the glass work.
They haven't finished the glass work yet.
Okay.
So, but the frame is there already. So we have covered all the edges. So to make the roof to be perfect.
Okay. So you say now 520 square meters. Yes. Now you use for here.
Yes.
So this particular roofing where you put for here, yes, we get the bill say no, we get leakage.
At all, it can't be. We can't have any leakage here.
Okay.
There is 99% assurance on that.
That there will be no leakage.
There is nothing like leakage. So.
Okay. So make you stay here, make a view as they see your face.
Okay.
So this particular bond when you use so, you still get the belief say now the correct one that you make use of.
Yes, it's the real one because I'm not the one that purchased it.
Okay.
But she asked me where they sell the original one, and I sent the name of the company to her. She requested and she ordered for it.
Okay.
But before they brought it here, I went to the company. She called me to go to the company to verify is this what
you want?
We want, and I said yes. So I'm the one that load it and bring it to the site.
Okay. Yeah. So this particular bond when we did so for this Gerard.
Yes.
You get idea how much that they sell per square meter?
As at the main source, we buy it for 6,500 per square meter.
Okay, 6,500 per square meter.
As at now that I'm
so talking. If person you want calculator now to times by 520, you can get the amount when they take by. So you first tell our viewers this particular work, how much you take when you take now the installation and this thing together.
The installation of the roofing sheet is 450,000, while the water collector is 100,000.
Okay, so everything can be 550.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So if our viewers they need you, may come work for that part of the country, especially the west or your Osun, Ekiti, Ondo, Ogun State when we do so, Lagos and Kwara. You feel go there, go work?
Very, very well, I will go.
So that amount will see carry on?
If it is the same size with this one. So.
Okay. So make you give us your phone number in case our viewers they want to reach you.
My phone number is 080-3408-5751.
Again?
080-3408-5751.
Okay.
And so one other line that I'm still using is 080-25-10-64-32. 080-2510-6432.
Okay. So our viewers all over the world, we thank you for the time when I tell they watch our videos and motivation when they give us. Say thank you all and God bless.
Amen.